Hey everybody, I have a great new product I'd like to announce that we're adding to our chemical lineup. This is called Quake. It's an acid restoration concentrate cleaner, of course in liquid form. You're going to typically use this for tile and grout or on concrete, although any cementitious product or floor surface or wall that needs to be etched or have a stain removed or have some mineral deposits extracted out, this would be a great product for that. Most cases you're going to start with an alkaline to clean and degrease. Liquid gold would be an awesome product to start with. Once this has been used and rinsed away, you can either neutralize it with this if you're doing it on like a concrete surface that's very porous. You can neutralize your alkaline with an acid. You can also use it as a brightener. Or if you're using it for tile and grout, if you do some cleaning and then there's a couple spots that remain, maybe in front of a dishwasher or a sink, or maybe in a restroom in front of the urinals or toilets or whatever have you. This would be an awesome product for the stain removal because now that it's fully cleaned, now you're going to use the acid to etch the surface of the grout or concrete to remove that surface layer, to remove the stain, because theoretically the stain is only in that top surface layer. This acid will remove that as a stain remover or a spotter for hard surfaces. It is a concentrate liquid, so you're going to mix approximately 4 to 16 ounces per gallon. And of course, where you fall in that range is going to depend on how severe the stain is or exactly what you're trying to do. So there may be some testing required, maybe in an inconspicuous area in a closet or in a corner, or something out of view, depending on the situation. But if you clean it and then there's any stains that remain, not that are dirty, that need to be recleaned, but just actual stains that remain where some sort of color has penetrated the pores of the concrete or the grout, then you can use the Quake acid to etch the surface of that grout or concrete to either brighten the concrete, brighten the grout, and or remove any stains such as any wine stains or anything else that's penetrated with a dye, whether it's organic or synthetic. So Quake Restoration Acid Concentrate Cleaner is now in our CPS chemical product line. It's available for purchase now on our website. Of course, after you use this and this, you can then seal it with the Clean Advantage Solvent Sealer. Just a quick tip when doing this, you can apply the sealer the same day as you do your cleaning if you're doing for this on tile and grout. The only thing you'd want to get rid of is any standing water. However, if there is moisture in the grout still, you do not have to wait for it to completely dry prior to using the sealer. As long as it's dry to the touch and there's no surface standing water, the way the sealer works is it's going to actually penetrate and displace the moisture in the grout pores to then seal and replace that. So great product to use as a solvent sealer. It's odorless. You can use it indoors and outdoors, concrete, stone, any kind of cementitious grout. Not to be used on epoxy grout. It's not going to damage it, but there's really no point in sealing epoxy grout because it's already going to be sealed being epoxy grout. However, back to the Quake, concentrate cleaner, etcher, spot remover. If you have any questions, let me know. Reach out anytime. Dave from Clean Pro Supply. I hope you guys have a nice day.